Good morning, grade 8. How are you today? Today, inshallah, we are going to continue talking about past perfect. And in this class, we will focus more on exercises. Now, here I wrote some sentences for you, and we will answer them according to the rule of past perfect. But let's actually write the rule of past perfect. It's subject plus had plus verb 3 past participle, and we said that we always use the keyword after with past perfect, okay, and when also we use it with past perfect, whereas before we use it with simple past. And we said that in past perfect we have two tenses or two times. One of them is past perfect had plus verb 3 and it happens first, and the other one is simple past, which happens after or after this tense. Now, after the plane take off, the air steward gave us coffee. Now here gave us is simple past. Gave us is what? Simple past. Now directly you need to change the first verb into past perfect. So what do I say? After, ومع after طبعا نستخدم دايما past perfect. After the plane had, and verb 3 from take, took, taken, of, what happened? The air steward gave us coffee. We didn't get a table. Didn't is simple past. Here it's in the negative form. We didn't get a table. فdirectly the missing verb here in the space provided, you need to change it into past perfect. We didn't get a table in the restaurant because. We always said that after because we should have what? Past perfect. دائما بعد because بدي يكون عندي ايش؟ past perfect had plus verb 3. Because of what? Because we not booked. Not booked. Booked here means register. طيب هلا not negative, we added to what? We added to had. So what do I say? We hadn't booked. We hadn't or had not booked. verb 3. So before we دائما بعد before بده يجي عندي ايش؟ verb 2 simple past. Before we get بدي احولها ل got simple past. Before we got to the stadium the match had started. طبعا هون الverb عندي past perfect had plus verb 3، فبالتالي الverb الأولاني بده يكون simple past. Very easy. Now I didn't go to the cinema. Didn't go. Didn't go, this is what? Like didn't get. Simple past. Okay, but in the negative form. So here I need to change it into what? I need to change it into past perfect. And don't forget that we have because here. I didn't go to the cinema because what? I see بتصير I had seen the film. I had seen the film. Okay. Now, open your workbook, page 66. Open your workbook, page 66. And let's do some exercises about past perfect. Here, this exercise is to match between the sentence and its complement. And you need to underline the thing which happened first. And the verb has to be in past perfect. If it happens first, then it has to be in past perfect. Now, for example, number 1, when they had finished the exam. When they had finished the exam. بما إنه in past perfect, this is the first action. Okay? Now I need to look for a verb here in what? In simple past. And I found it, it's sentence C. They left the classroom. They left the classroom. هلا simple past انت circle it. Okay, whereas the past perfect, underlined it. Okay, this is the first action and this is the second action. The first action had زائد verb 3, whereas the second action has to be what? In simple past. Simple past. Okay. He didn't have any money that week. Didn't have any money that week. Didn't have هاي إيش؟ simple past ولا past perfect؟ هاي simple past. So I underline it. Sorry, I circle it. He didn't have any money that week. It goes with F because he had spent it the week before. دايما بعد because بده يجي عندي had plus verb 3. So because he had spent, you underline the past perfect. Okay. She started reading a new book. She started reading a new book. Started, verb 2. So this is simple past. Now I need to look for a sentence which has what? Past perfect. Yes. Because she had finished the one she was reading. Because she had finished هذا إيش؟ past perfect وإجا قبلهم because. 4. They hadn't eaten anything all day. They hadn't eaten anything all day. Hadn't and eaten is what? Past perfect. So I need to look for a sentence in simple past. What is the missing word here? C, F, G, A, B, and D. Okay. Yes, with E. This is E. So they ordered a big pizza. So they ordered a big pizza. So this one goes with E. Hadn't eaten and ordered is what? Simple past. Now, when they had their dinner, when they had their dinner, this is past perfect, underlined. Okay. They washed the dishes. They washed the dishes. This is simple past. He didn't swim. He didn't swim. Simple past. Okay, goes with D because he had forgotten to bring his towel. Here, had forgotten is what? Past perfect. Had زائد verb 3. They had won the competition. They had won the competition. Goes with B. So they had a picnic to celebrate. دائما مع so أو because I should use what? Yes, they had won the competition, so they had a picnic to celebrate. 7 goes with B. Now, let's move to exercise, the same page, exercise 3 here.